Name an NFL player without saying the same one as me. Round 1, name a player in the NFC. Any NFC player from any of the 16 teams. All right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Emeka Egbuka.
Adam Thielen.
All right, there we go. There we go. We're chilling. Round 2, name a player that was ranked in the NFL top 100.
Offense or defense?
Doesn't matter. Does not matter. 3, 2, 1. Jared Goff.
Brock Bowers.
I think they're both top 20 players in there. Round 3, name an NFL player who's received first place MVP votes.
Oh, this is tough.
It is tough.
We're tight now. Hold on.
3, 2, 1. Todd Gurley.
Cooper Kupp.
They both went with the Rams. Round 4, name a player who was drafted out of D2. I think I know who you're going with. 3, 2, 1. Kyle Duggar.
Craig Reynolds.
I knew you were going with Craig Reynolds. Final round, name an NFL player named Jalen, spelled Jalen.
I think we might say the same one right here, actually.
3, 2, 1. Jalen Tolbert.